Good morning. I haven't made any vlogs since arriving in Brazil. I have a couple videos that I have filmed, but I still have to film the rest or sit down for a talk part. But today we're doing a vlog and we are going to the beach. I have 10 days left, which is really sad. I'm still pretty white. I haven't gotten any tan and I need a tan or I'm gonna look like I haven't been on holiday at all, and I have been here for an entire month, or when I leave I had been here an entire month. So I kind of feel like I should look like I at least got a little bit sun-kissed. I put extensions in. I have keratin extensions and they look really good. I think they look really natural. The only thing is he said not to put oil on the extensions, but I finish my hair with oil all the time. So I've been trying not to put oil on the extensions, but I still put oil on my hair to also kind of blend in, because the top is my hair. I also know that my hair is a lot lighter than the extensions, but I have he had put light strips inside the hair so that it kind of looks good. At the beach. Look, the beach is so pretty today, and as you can see, it's like a wall of rocks, so there's no sharks here, and that's why I like to come here, because I know there's no sharks here. I checked the UV before I left and it said it was supposed to be going up until 12 and it's 10 right now, so I still have a couple hours in the sun. I hope I get a little tan. So I bought the essentials, chips, tanning stuff. This is juice, and then I bought the phone case. If I want to go swimming, I have to bring my phone with me. I brought my wallet. I brought a little towel, and I have sunglasses in here, and I think that's it. Yeah, I don't have more, but AirPods and stuff. And then I bought a book. To read this one, How to Make Friends with the Dark. So far I've come. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil, just in the legs and in the arms, because those are the places that I want to get the most tan. One thing that I love in Brazil is this.